Okay, everybody, what we're going to do now is we're going to kind of go back, look at the equation of a circle in general form, and rewrite it in standard form by completing the square. So if I look at the first equation up here, example A, I've got x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 equals 0. Okay? Well, what I want to do is I want to group my x terms and my y terms together, and I want to move that constant to the other side because it may not complete any of my squares, and I'm not going to be concerned about it just yet. I just want to get it out of the way for now. So I'm going to rewrite this as x squared minus 2x, and I'm going to have my plus y squared plus 4y, and I'm going to go ahead and move that 4 to the other side. Okay? So I've got x squared minus 2x plus y squared plus 4y, and that's going to equal 4. Well, now what I got to do is I got to find the term that completes this square, and I got to find the term that completes this square. So remember, I'm going to use my b over 2 squared to find those terms, and in the case of my x terms, that's going to be negative 2 divided by 2 squared, which is going to be negative 1 squared, which is going to be positive 1. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to add 1 to this to complete my square. Since I added 1 on this side of the equation, I'm also going to have to add 1 on that side of the equation. Okay? So now let's look at our y term. Let's complete the square on that side. So my b term over here is going to be 4. So I'm going to do 4 divided by 2, and I'm going to square it. That's going to be 2 squared, which gives me 4. So I need to add a 4 here, and since I added a 4 on this side of the equation, I'm going to add a 4 on that side of the equation. Okay, guys? So I'm going to bring all this down here to give me x squared minus 2x plus 1 on this side, and then I got it plus y squared plus 4y plus 4. And then if I add all this together, 4 plus 1 plus 4, that's going to give me 9. Okay? So to finish writing this in center radius form, I need to factor this perfect square trinomial as x minus 1 squared. And then I need to factor this perfect square trinomial as y plus 2 squared. And then I'm going to set that equal to 9. Now it's in center radius form, or standard form, and I know that the center of my circle would be 1 comma negative 2, and I know that my radius would be 3 units long. It'd be the square root of 9, which is 3. I'm going to go ahead and put the examples of the rest of those on the Google Classroom, and just email me if you have any questions. Thank you.